Audio Jungle.
Hi babies, how are you? This is Miss Marta talking to you. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a little Einstein. You need a toilet paper tube, some paint, a brush, glue, marker, and a pen, and some cotton. So let's take a look and see what happens. First of all, you have to take the brush and color the half of the toilet paper tube like this. Then you have to wait to dry it and use the marker to make the details like this. Make the details, the buttons. Then put some glue on the top like this to simulate the hair and put them like this. Like this. And put some glue in the face to simulate the mustache. Take some cotton and put it over here. And with the marker you can draw the eyes and the nose and the mouth. And here you have your little Einstein. I hope you enjoy it. Bye-bye.